Money sums. Today we are doing activity 2. So the same as yesterday, you need to do these in your busy book. Open up on a new page, make your cats down the side, write the date, and in your second cat the heading will be activity 2. Okay, it's the same as yesterday, except there's a few different things for sale and the sums and numbers are different, but you're going to write them exactly like you did yesterday underneath each other in your busy book. Okay, let's start. These are the things in the tuck shop. There's a ball for 6 rand. There's a radio for 8 rand. There's a rabbit for 5 rand. There's a juice box for 3 rand. There's a doll for 3 rand. And there's a bear for 5 rand. Let's start. Bungi pays with 20 rand. Okay, so she has more money. Bungi has 20 rand. And Bungi is buying 3 things from the tuck shop. She's buying a radio, a rabbit and a ball. So we start with a radio. What does the radio cost? The radio is 8 rand. So we start with 8 rand. Remember, it's always the in the front for the 8 rand. Plus the rabbit, 5 rand. Plus, now this is a longer sum because she bought 3 things. Plus the ball. The ball was 6 rand. Now it's just the same as a normal sum except there's an extra number. So again, you can use whatever works for you to work out the answer. The first one is 8 rand. So we move 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next number is 5. Did it say to plus or minus? Plus, so that means I'm putting more. Okay, I'm putting more. I'm moving 5. Now remember, I previously told me the blue ones are 5, so I don't need to count them. I know that if I move all the blue ones, I've got 5. So there's 5, and the last one is plus 6. So I have to move another 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I need to count how many I have all together so that I know how much money she spends at the tuck shop. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. What does 19 look like? Yes. We start with a R. 1, 9. 19. And can you remember how much money she had? She had 20 rand. Now which one is bigger? 20 or 19? 20. We always start with the money that she has. She has more money than what she's spending, hopefully. So we'd start with the 20. This time it's a minus. You're taking away that money because she's spending that money at the tuck shop. She can't keep the money. She's giving it to the people for these items. So minus 19. 19 rand. And now you need to work out what your change is going to be. Remember, if you can do these sums in your head without any abacus or blocks or so, then that's fine. You do maths, you always do your calculations, whatever works for you, the way that works for you. Okay. I'm going to move 20. Now I can count in tens. 10, 20. And now I need to take away 19. So instead of counting everything, I know that one of these lines is 10, and I can just carry on from there. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I took those away because it was minus, and I'm left with 1. Yes. So she will only get 1 rand change. Remember, you're writing this in your busy book. So this would be in one line, in one cat, and this would be in the second cat. She's left with 1 rand. You don't need to write this bottom part. Let's look at the next one. Okay. Imka pays with 20 rand. So again, she has 20 rand. She's buying 3 items. Let's have a look. She's buying a ball, a juice box, and a doll. The ball was 6 rand. I want you to write that in, 6 rand. The juice box was 3 rand. So you write plus 3 rand. And the doll was 3 rand. So now you've written in your numbers here. You've got 6 rand plus 3 rand plus 3 rand. Work out what that answer is. Write it down. And then your next one is to work out the change that she's going to get. She has 20 rand, so we always start with the 20 rand because that's the money she has. Take away how much she spent on all the items, and then you can work out your answer there. Okay, good. Next one. Jana pays with 20 rand. So she also has 20 rand. She wants to buy a rabbit, a juice box, and a bear. Let's look at those prices. A rabbit, 5 rand. So write 5 rand. Plus the juice box, 3 rand. Plus the bear, 5 rand. Okay. So you wrote those down. Work out what your answer is going to be. And then to get your change, you start with the 20 rand note that she had. And you take away what she spent on the items, minus there, and you write your answer. Good, last one. Nathan paid 20 rand, so he also has 20 rand. He wants to buy a radio, a juice box, and a rabbit. Let's look at the prices. A radio is 8 rand, so write that in your book. Plus the juice box for 3 rand, plus the rabbit for 5 rand. Okay, so you wrote those down. Now you need to get your answer, plus the 3 together. And the last one is to work out the change. He has 20 rand. So we start with the 20 rand that he has. We take away what he spent on the items. And you find your answer. Okay. Well done. That's your activity for today.